In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the paper size for a layout in AutoCAD. Let's get started by moving into Paper Space. At the bottom of your AutoCAD window, click one of the Layout tabs, such as Layout 1. This switches you from Model Space, where you draw at full scale, to Paper Space, which represents your printed sheet. You'll notice a white sheet outline and possibly a viewport frame. Think of this layout as the exact size and boundary of the paper you're going to plot on, so setting it correctly is essential for clean, predictable prints. Next, open the Page Setup Manager. Right-click the Layout tab you're on and choose Page Setup Manager, then click Modify. This brings up the settings that control how this particular layout will be printed. Using Modify ensures you're editing the current layout settings directly, so what you see here will match what gets plotted from this tab. Now choose the printer or plotter you plan to use. In the printer plotter area, pick the device from the list. This could be a physical printer in your office or a virtual device like a PDF plotter. The choice matters because each device provides its own list of available paper sizes and margins. Selecting the exact device you'll use helps you avoid surprises like clipped borders or unexpected scaling later on. With the device selected, set the paper size, open the paper size list and choose the sheet you want, such as an ANSI or ISO size that matches your title block. The names you see may vary depending on the device you selected, and sizes might appear in inches or millimeters. If your title block was designed for a specific sheet, pick that exact size so the border and content fit perfectly on the page. If you don't immediately see the size you expect, try a closely related option provided by the selected device. Once you select the size, take a quick look at the preview area to confirm that the sheet outline matches your intent. When you're satisfied, apply your changes and close the dialog. Back in the layout, the sheet boundary now reflects the size you picked, so you can position your viewports and annotations with confidence, knowing the layout corresponds to the paper you'll use. That's it. Click the Layout tab, open Page Setup Manager, and Modify. Choose your printer or plotter and set the paper size. Save your drawing to keep these settings, and you're ready for consistent professional plots every time.